Alright, you guys, welcome back for another gameplay. Today we're playing a fun little weird game that I found. It's called Afternoon Spaghetti. So, I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm loving this music. Okay, anyways, let's get it, let's go. Wow, we live in the middle of nowhere. Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna make some pasta today. Wait, you gotta let me in. I'm a vampire. I'm just kidding. Hey, I'm making spaghetti. Could you pass me some cheese? You are the cheese. You look like a block of cheese. Where is it? There should be some in the fridge. I'm gonna make some pasta today. Pink Pony Club. Fun fact, chat. Pasta is my favorite meal ever. And we're having meatballs! Unless that's just the sauce. But I'm gonna pretend like there's meatballs in there. What in the heezy bobeezy, bro? Is this gonna take me to another dimension? I didn't see no cheese in there, sorry. Maybe we don't need the cheese. It's fine. We don't need the cheese. Maybe you could just put some more tomatoes. Ain't that cheese? Or is that a potato? You can't be putting potato on pasta. What's wrong with you? I'm sure an Italian would yell at you. Maybe. I don't know. Fine, I'll go explore. Where the hell am I? Damn, I can't turn on the sink. Can't go through this door. Okay. Am I just in a freaking... Hold on. I gotta go close the fridge. Because then the food's gonna get bad. Okay. Can't use the toilet. Did I just really end up in a art museum here? Art degree show? Good Institute of Arts. Linus P. Sultana. Three-dimensional existence on a two-dimensional plane. Art on canvas. Wow, so inspirational. I love this. Can you spot the difference? One's got a bun, one doesn't. Emotional consequences of an advanced interhuman communication. They're trauma bonding me too. What the hell? Can I take that? No. Perceptions of aesthetic form. Give me the water gun. Give me the water gun. Is this the fridge? What? Oh my god, I thought I could jump. What kind of... I really went all this way just for some cheese? Bruh. That's crazy work. Alright, I'm back from the... I don't know. The fridge dimension. Thanks. Did you know that the back of your fridge is currently on display at a student art show somewhere on the planet Earth? What? Is that what it is? Wow, that's an extraordinary long way away. So we're in a different dimension. See, that was a different dimension. Where would I breathe without you? Is that supposed to be a pasta joke? Hey, I like the rock and roll music and I like to do the cha-cha-cha. Bruh. Hey, I like the rock. Where would I breathe without you guys? That's what I'm saying. Well, this was an interesting game, a little game that I found. Oh, we're back. See, you always gotta stay for the credits. Oh. Nice. Well, I guess that was it. Nothing else. Not even like taking me back to the main screen. But alright, you guys, if you enjoyed that short gameplay, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next gaming video. Peace.